So, hello everyone. My today's topic is the nervous system. Our nervous system plays a huge role in everything you do in your daily lives. The three main parts of your nervous system are been consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It helps you to move, think, and feel. It even helps to regulate the thing you do but don't think about, like digestion. It contains the central nervous system, and the other nervous system is the peripheral nervous system. Your nervous system is your body's command center. It's made up of your brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Your nervous system works by sending messages or electrical signals between your brain and all other parts of your body. These signals tells you to breathe, move, speak, and see. For example, your nervous system helps to track of what's going on and outside of your body, and decides how to respond to any situation that you are in right now. Your nervous system regulates complicated processes like thoughts and memories. It also helps, and it also helps to play an essential role in the things your body does without thinking, like blushing, sweating, and blinking. Your nervous system's main function is to send messages from various parts of your body to your brain, and from your brain back out to your body to tell your body what to do. These messages regulates your activities like thoughts, memories, learning, and feelings. Uh, it also helps to maintain the movements and balance and coordination. Regulate senses like how your brain interprets what you see, hear, taste, touch, and how you feel. It also helps to wound healings, regulates to regulate our sleep cycle, heartbeat, and breathing patterns of a human being, and also helps to regulate response to stressful situation, including sweat production. It helps to digestion of the food body, and also helps in the body processes such as puberty and aging. So the next question is how this the nervous system works. So our nervous system uses nerve cells called neurons to send signals or messages all over our body. These electrical signals travels among our body, our brain, skin, organs, glands, and muscles. The messages helps you move your limbs and feel sensations like pain. Your eyes, ears, tongues, nose, and the nerves all over your body takes in information about your environment. Then nerves carries the data to and from your brain. There are different types of neurons. Each type of neurons has different job to be done. Motor neurons take signals from your brain and spinal cords to your muscles. They also helps you to move. They also assists with breathing, swallowing, and speaking of a human body. The sensory neurons takes information from your sensory organs, that helps you to see, touch, taste, and etc. to your brain. Interneurons communicate between motor and sensory organs. These neurons regulates your movement in response to sensory informations like moving away from a hot surface, and playing a huge role in how you learn things and remember. So the anatomy of the nervous system. What are parts are being involved in the nervous system? The nervous system is been divided into two major parts. The first is central nervous system. The central nervous system, your brain and spinal cords make up your CNS. Your brain reads signals from your nerves to regulate how you think, move, and feel. The second is peripheral nervous system. Your peripheral nervous system is made up of networks of nerves. The nerves branches out from your spinal cord. This system relays information from your brain and spinal cord to your organ, arms, legs, fingers, and toes. There are two parts to your peripheral nervous system. The first is the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system guides your voluntary movements. Then the second is the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system helps to regulate the activity you do without thinking about them, which are involuntary movements. So what does the nervous system actually looks like? The nerve cells, which are also been known as neurons, are the basis of your nervous system. There are about more than 100 millions of neurons in your brain. These cells connect throughout your entire body. Imagine your nervous system as a tree. Your central nervous system is the trunk of the tree that contains your brain and the spinal cord. The tree branches are your peripheral nervous system. The branches extended from the trunk, which are between brain and the spinal cord, to reach all over the parts of the all other parts of our body. So the conditions and disorders. What are the common conditions or disorders that affects the nervous system? There are many conditions that can affect your nervous system. Some of the most common included are such as: first is the Alzheimer disease, second is cancer, third is cerebral palsy, fourth is epilepsy, fifth is Huntington's disease, sixth is infections, which is also been known as meningitis, seventh is the Parkinson's disease, eighth is the stroke, and the ninth is the traumatic brain injury. So, what are the most common signs or symptoms of the nervous system conditions? The signs and symptoms involved in the nervous system are the conditions vary by very types, different types, but may include: the first is movement and coordination changes in the body. Second is the memory loss. Third is the pain, numbness, or a pins and a needles feeling in the body. Fourth is the behavioral change and the mood changes. Fifth is the difficulty with thinking and reasoning. Sixth is the seizures. Thank you.